Hi, this is Dave from davesolutions.com. I'd like to show you today one way to use transparencies in images and quickly move images from whatever graphics editor you're using into PowerPoint without a lot of the saving of files and working with the details and transparencies, but getting good results. Let me explain. On the page you see here, I'd like to get an ink blot, just kind of a splash of ink on the background image underneath the card. So to do that, I went and downloaded an image of ink, and let's see, that's over here. There we go. It's an image I downloaded from sxc.hu, a stock exchange for photos. I'm going to go ahead and open this thing up. Open with Paint. It's easy, most people have this. There's a bunch of ink splotches. I don't want all of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a section I like. I like this area right here. So I'm going to choose Select and just draw a rectangle box around the part I want. Then I'm going to go ahead and crop it. And now the next thing I'm going to do very quickly is I'm just going to erase a little bit of it because I want to get it just a couple of these splashes out of there. I don't really want all of them. Maybe this little one over there. Okay, that's good. Now I've got a section that I like. I could, of course, save this to the side and go import it into PowerPoint. That's too much. I'm going to choose Control-A to select it all, Control-C to copy. But any way you want to select and copy is fine. But now it's on the clipboard. So I go back to PowerPoint, and of course I paste it. Now that's not usable really at all. I'm going to zoom in on that a little bit. It's there, but it's not real usable. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make it bigger because I do want a nice, good-sized splash there. And now I'm going to go ahead and insert a shape. I'm going to get a rectangle shape and draw the rectangle right over the image itself. That way we have the same size. Now I've got what I'm working with. I'm going to format the shape, and I'm going to remove the outline, no outline. And then I'm going to right-click on it and choose Format Shape. That may have dropped out of the box there. But I'm going to go ahead to go to Format Shape so I have all my options here. Now, I'm going to just keep that window open there and do a couple quick things. I'm going to move my shape out of the way, and I'm going to go back to my original image. Now, I need to do a little work on that to get it ready. So I'm going to go to Format, Color, Set Transparent Color. Click on the white, and now I have ink. I'm not going to worry too much about all this white. That's really not going to show up when I'm all done because of the background I'm using. But if it's important to you, you might want to edit that out in your editor. Now I can't make this any more transparent. There's just no option for it in the format box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy it. So I right click and I choose Copy. Now I'm really done with it because I'm going to go back to my shape, and when I select it and I go to Fill, I can choose Solid Fill, Gradient Fill, or Picture. I'm going to go ahead and fill it with the picture. I'm going to choose Clipboard if it doesn't automatically pop up there. That was the choice I chose last time. Of course you can choose a file if you want, but that becomes something you have to save. But you can import it right from the clipboard, which is what you just copied there. Now you notice that when I have fill selected on the image itself, I can't do anything more with it. But when I go to this one, I've got a transparency. So I'll just make it a little bit faded because I want a kind of a faded look on this ink. And I'm done. Now I'm going to go ahead and view Fit to Window so we can take a look at what's going on. I could have this just ink blot there, or I could have this faded ink blot, which I like better. So I'll delete the other one, and I'll send it to the back, or backward anyway, underneath that card. One more time, there it is. And I'm done. And there you go. So you can go ahead and fill a shape with an image that you copied from the clipboard, and then you can add more transparency onto it. That's all.